Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, post the sharp decline which was seen on Wednesday, key benchmark indices witnessed some slowdown in the pressure, that is the selling pressure, with Nifty closing 0.51 in the negative, while Bank Nifty underperformed, losing 0.75% for the day. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index has been sustaining above 103.5 levels, while the US 10-year bond yields too have sustained above 4%. Crude remains steady between the range of $75 to $80 a barrel. Coming to a quick check on the global markets, the S&P 500 once again took support closer towards its 20-day EMA, that is the levels of 4,731, and has closed around 4,780 zone. Overall, this indicates that the momentum is still on the bullish side, but for fresh traction to be seen, it is essential for the index to surpass the levels of 4,800. On the downside, the previous swing low, that is the levels of 4,650, 4,675 could act as an important support. Coming to Nifty, the crucial support is placed at 21,300, 21,230 zone, while the resistance is seen closer towards 21,630, 21,650 levels. In case 21,290 is breached on the downside, the index could slide towards 21,160, 21,080 levels. Above the levels of 21,650, the index could resume its uptrend towards the levels of 21,830, 21,890 levels. Coming to the OI data, the cumulative futures open interest for index surged by 9.55%, while the price fell by 0.29%, indicating fresh short being built up in the index. Nifty PCR for monthly expiry is currently at 0.81 levels. Put writing is seen at 21,400, 21,300 strikes, while on the call side it is mainly seen in 21,500 and 21,600 strikes. Overall range for the next few sessions could be 21,280 on the downside and 21,680 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, 46,100, 46,150 is likely to act as resistance, and until it is not crossed, the index can experience a retest of its early December gap of 45,300, 44,900 zone. In case 44,900 breaks, the index can test its next support placed at 44,500, 44,300. Above the levels of 46,150, Bank Nifty could witness a short covering rally towards the levels of 46,650 on the upside. Tracking open interest data on a cumulative basis, the future OI declined by 1.25%, while price fell by 0.63, indicating continuation of long unwinding of the positions in Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty monthly PCR is currently at 0.66. Significant open interest built up is witnessed in 45,800, 46,000 calls, and on the put side it is mainly seen in 45,500, 45,000 puts, so implying a broad range of 46,250 on the upside and 45,300 on the downside for the coming few sessions. The next few sessions are going to be crucial for Bank Nifty, as the numbers of ICICI Bank and Kotak are scheduled to be released this Saturday. Coming to stocks which are going to release their results today, the most important one among them are Reliance Industries, Hindustan Unilever and Ultra Chemco. Stocks and sectors in momentum. So the oil and gas constituents, the likes of MGL, Petronet, BPCL, ONGC, Hind Petro continued their positive momentum, while pharma stocks also displayed good traction. The likes of Sun Pharma, Cipla, Oro Pharma continued their stellar performance and witnessed a fresh breakout towards higher levels. From the broader market, bullish setup was observed in Tata Motors, Apollo Hospital, LT, Hero MotoCorp, OFFS, Apollo Tyre, BHEL, Lupin, Poonawalla, JSW Energy, Prestige, Maharashtra Bank, MRPL, IRB, Medanta, Amber, Bikaji. So these were the counters which witnessed good traction in trade yesterday. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, FI sold to the tune of 9,901 crore, while DI bought to the tune of 5,977 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures worsened to 49.09% on a net basis as they sold about 25,313 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have sold to the tune of 26,365 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought 55,754 call contracts and bought 1,23,360 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.